Hey Girl Boss, it's me Natalia here at the Girl Boss Recipe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to design on Showit. And you get this free template by yours truly. A win is a win. Okay, so all you have to do is go to the link in the description at the Girl Boss Recipe, obviously, of course, and sign up to our email list on our homepage and you will get this template for free. Very easy, very quick, 1, 2, 3. Then that will bring you to here and you will get a key code. You go to add to library and you insert your code. Also, if you don't have Showit, there is a free 30-day trial in the description as well. And boom, there we go. Now we have the template. Click on add design and you are a success. Let's get into it. So right here is our site info. This is where you can change your name and do all that jazz. Right here is where you put your brand colors and the fonts you want to use. Okay, so this is going to be the color of the title right here. This is the title and it tells you exactly which one it is. So title is black and this is the font. Heading is black and this is the font. Okay, and then you can just change everything here so that when you are ready to design all of your fonts, your colors, your buttons, everything is already set up. So you just save that and now it's time to get to it. This is where you up your media library, where you upload everything as far as your images and your videos. This right here is the pages. So your home page, this is your home page, about, here, shop, contact. So once you click on home, this is your home. This right here is page. So this is showing you what's on your home page and it has it all broken down right here. So these are all canvases. Every section of your Showit website is built on canvases. So this right here is your pop-up and it's a canvas. This right here is your menu and this is the canvas. This right here is your video section and this is the video. So every canvas has things inside of it like this. This is your about canvas and this is everything that's in this section. So this is where you can come in and you can change everything. Okay, you want to change this writing. That's how you do that. Make sure you change all of the images, swap them out because these are not commercial images, so you cannot use these on your website. These are just place fillers, so make sure you do that. As far as the video, when it comes to the canvas background and swap that out. Images, again, swap those out. Okay? Just change everything around. And you can, of course, change the colors, make it your own, change the images, really brand it to your liking. So let's go to the canvas background. We're going to make this now. We're going to change the colors so you can see how you can change this. Okay, so you really just have to take your time and, edit it. As far as these images, you want to go to fallback images, manage images, and then you can drag in images that you don't want. You can change the stacking of them where you want them to be, etc. Okay, so let me go ahead and change that back. as far as this right here, this is two different canvas views. So we have a testimonial, we have a testimonial too. So when you click on this arrow, it changes to the next testimonial. So if you want to add more, you can duplicate that, change the name to number 3, and then see how this is on top of here? So instead of me moving it, I am going to find it here. So it's a photo. So it has to be this one. Yep. And then, so now I can just swap it out. Okay. Also, okay, so yeah, let's keep that swapped out so you can see the difference. Photo, swap that out too. Okay, so now when you view it, you have one, two, three. Okay, so this sets, these are gonna go to different pages. So, excuse me. So if you have sunglasses, you can create a sunglass page. Sunglass collection, and then this, you do quick action and want it to go to a page, and the page is sunglass. Also this. So now once you preview it, this goes to sunglass face, but there's nothing there because you didn't put anything on it. Okay, so that is how you use Showit to customize the template. This is the starter template, just the home page. In the videos ahead, I will be creating more pages. So this is just the first video. But like I said, if you want this template, then sign up to our email list. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.